Welcome to the ADAVI iPhone Quick Guide, where you can learn to use your brand new ADAVI, the affordable device attachment for the visually impaired. Step 1. Install the Magnifier App. Look through your app library for the Magnifier App. If you can't locate it, you can find it in the App Store. Just type in Magnifier to search for the app. We can also now set up the optional accessibility feature to make it easy to launch on the go. Open Settings app from your home screen, tap Accessibility, scroll down and select Accessibility shortcut, and select Magnifier. Once this has been enabled, you can tap the side button 3 times to open the Magnifier app. Step 2. Using your ADAVI. Installing your phone case. Remove your current case and attach the provided phone case on your iPhone. Other cases will not work with the ADAVI. Now it's time to clean our devices. First, wipe down your ADAVI Prism surfaces. Use the provided microfiber cleaning cloth. Then you'll want to take the cleaning cloth and wipe down the lenses on your phone. Now that our devices are clean, we can attach the ADAVI. Angle the attachment on the front side of your phone and clip it securely over the camera case opening. Now we can use the shortcut to open our magnifier. When you first open the app, you might be too far from the subject. If you see the inside edges of the ADAVI, simply zoom in until the text fills the screen. The Magnifier app has a customizable menu of features. If you don't see an option you need, slide the menu open to view the full options. Any options you don't need can be hidden in the settings. The following features work best: zoom, contrast, brightness, filters, and flashlight. Now that is everything you need to start using your ADAVI today. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, thoughts, or concerns, please feel free to leave a comment right below this video.